What's happening, everybody? It's Knife Life 777 coming to you today with another knife. This is an offering from a new knife company called Asher Knife Company. These guys just came out on the scene recently, and they came out with their first line of knives, and this is the one that appealed to me the most. This is called the Asher Knives Centri, and it was actually, the name actually came from my buddy Alan, who won it in a contest to name the knife, and he actually won. It is called the Centri. Let's see what we got. We have a nice black box. It's nice and thick, and it's real nice. Nice and sturdy. So what we have is a knife, no paperwork as of yet. The knife and two axis type lock springs. Check that out, guys. Let's get some specs on this guy. Here, I'll read you guys what it says on the website. The Asher Centri, similar to the Asher Nomad, which is another one of the knives, offers a quality built EDC design with a unique spin on the blade shape. The harpoon blade not only adds this Centri's beauty, but also provides a welcomed thumb rest when cutting through the toughest materials. The thumb rest gives users some much needed leverage when slicing through a thick rope, box, or wild game offered up after a satisfying hunt. The axis style locking mechanism provides a sturdy and dependable hold to ensure your blade will stay the course as long as needed, and not a second shorter. We have an open length of 7.4 inches. We have a closed length of 4.2 inches. We have a blade length of 3.2 inches. We have a drop point / harpoon style blade. We have S35VN blade steel with a satin finish. The handle is G10 with stainless steel liners, with a stainless steel backspacer, stainless steel fasteners, screws, and a stainless steel pocket clip. We have a weight of 3.57 ounces, but we're going to weigh it here just to make sure. Hopefully my scale is correct because it was running low on batteries. 3.4 inches, boom. Or 3.4 ounces, sorry. Let's do some size comparisons quick. I'm just going to do them up here. This is the Spyderco Shaman. They have just about the same size cutting edge. We have the Benchmade 560-1, aka Super Freak. Super Freak having more cutting edge. We have the new Wee Knives Banter the Centri having more cutting edge. I wish I had a bug out to compare it to. This is more comparable to the bug out, but it has G10 scales and stainless steel liners, so it's a little more sturdy in my opinion. And one more, the Spyderco Endura. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the Asher Knives website where you can purchase this and other knives. The pocket clip is reversible, before I forget. Deep carry. This is a good knife, but I'm not keeping it. I'm going to sell it. I just want to hold it and experience it. The action was a little rough when I took it out of the box, but I finally got the pivot loosened and it works a lot better now, but it doesn't always drop shut. You have to give it a little nudge most of the time, but I know if you work it in, it'll work better. The Axis style lock works well, and it does come with extra springs, which is nice. The G10 is not super grippy. It's just, you could just barely feel the texture on it. So it's not like peel ply where it's super grippy. It's got a nice satin finish on the blade and on the liners. Everything is polished. We have let's see, T6 torque screws for the body and T8 for the pivot. And it runs on phosphor bronze washers, but from what I was told, it was supposed to have bearings, but something got mixed up, so they're going to send out bearings as soon as they get everything together. So give them a check them out, give them a shot, see if you like them. This is Asher Knives, ASHER. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I got more knives coming, so stay posted. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night or day and the rest of your week. Peace.